What's up everyone? Today we're going to be doing the wing install from Mashimaru.com. I actually have a code for this. You can type in N54 builds in the little discount box and that will save you 10% off the entire site. So we're going to get to installing this. We just prepped the trunk and we prepped this with some alcohol so there shouldn't be any waxes on it. And then we're just going to mask it up.
Isopropyl.
I
don't even know what this is. It's a first aid.
It smells terrible.
I know, dude. My brain hurts.
I'm drunk.
Drunk.
We're gonna put it on here, but we're gonna leave the red little seal on the other side, and then we're gonna mock it up, put masking tape, and then line it up with Sharpie. So I don't know the best tactic. I just want to go all the way to the edges. Oh, we probably need scissors. So obviously this is not adhesive yet, you have to peel off the red. So we're just gonna mock it up to make sure it sits where it's supposed to. What I'm doing is I'm going to put a piece of tape like this, and then we're going to mark with a Sharpie a line on the piece of tape, and then we'll cut it, and then so when we put it back on, we'll line up those two marks and then line it up with the piece of tape on the side, and it should be exactly where we had it before.
Currently Friday morning, and these guys are going to town on the trees.
Alright. Probably scratch the paint doing that, but
whatever.
We don't care. We don't care.
Don't give a fudge.
Alright. Now, I'm gonna tuck these guys and we can move it.
So these are your marks, so when you go back you can have a reference point.
Yeah, I'm just gonna, before I lay it down, I'm gonna make sure it's flush on each side and then...
Flush?
Flush? And then I just have to make contact like that.
So now when you pull the adhesive off, when you go back down, you're not just guessing.
Yeah.
For sure.
Good idea. But, I mean, it's not gonna be perfect. That's...
Well, I don't think, with how much room you have on both sides, you're not going to notice a difference. No. If you're off by a
I'm just worried about like the lip itself.
Oh, well, I'll
like,
help you with that.
Or something. But we'll just give it a shot, and then worst case we do it again in like 2 months or something.
It's fine. I don't think anyone's going to pull up to you at a light like, dude, your spoiler's off by a centimeter.
And I'll cry.
Start bawling super hard. You know, someone watching this video is going to see you and be like, dude, your spoiler's off just by a little bit. It's been bugging me. Here, I'll hold it so you can peel it.
That's fine. It's just like, it's hard to peel though. Sketch.
Okay. So lay it down, and as long as you have it lined up here, I'll watch the back part of it.
Well, just make sure it's like lined up.
Go straight down. Go higher. Yeah. Keep going.
Pretty much lined up here. Am I good on the side?
This side's a little bit too. Hold on. Let me see.
Oh, they did pretty good. Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, dude, not bad at all. That's pretty dope. Is it a 6 Series? What the hell is that? Why does it sound kind of cool? Oh, it's hiding. Oh, it's an M6. Nice. Oh, geez, wheel spin.
Yeah.
Getting nasty on a Friday.
Are you recording? Shake the whole car just by touching the wing.
What do you think so far? How'd it go?
It's on there, that's for sure. It was pretty easy, but like just nerve-wracking because I don't want it to be like fucking sideways.
Well,
but it looks really good.
If you do mess it up, it's only tape.
Yeah.
And it's not gonna hurt the
I
car.
would just have to get a heat gun and take off the tape.
Yeah, that's fine. So now what's the plan? You're gonna let it cure in the sun?
Yeah, I'm gonna let it sit in the sun and hopefully, maybe if like it gets really hot, at the end of the day I'll come back and push it down again and maybe I can get the sides down.
Well, do you want to take masking tape and tape it down?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's do that.
I don't know. I think I'll pull it forward though. Don't you think? Because the back is already sitting really like forward down.
I would just put even pressure everywhere.
Yeah. Let's see.
Do you think that that tape's gonna hold it down?
Yeah. I mean, this is what other people do. I'll just put like a bunch. That.
you should drive like that and race somebody. Pull it further down, I think.
Well, I wanted to just like pull the very top bit forward.
Oh.
And then, because I'll do some going this way too.
Oh, like pulling it down
Yeah.
too? Oh,
Yeah,
for sure.
That's just like the bumper.
You get state refed for this.
Alright, so we're doing this so it like pulls the spoiler into the car. So I'm gonna leave it for like 6 or 7 hours, however long we work for, and it should be sturdy. I mean, it's already like really on there.
Well, when you're doing it earlier, pushing it and it was staying with just the tape.
Yeah.
So I think it's completely
No,
fine.
It's fine. This is just being like extra, just because.
Well, the last thing you want to do is have it fly off down the road.
Yeah. I even put this down here.
Yeah.
On the exhaust.
Look at it all the way to like wrap it under the car and to the front bumper. So it goes all the way around.
Oh, it's already fucking stuck there.
I think that's chilling, dude.
Whatever. Definitely not gonna do that much. Might as well just try.
You should use all the tape.
I get like 3
The tape?
and shit. Yeah.
No,
But do you
no.
think it looks dope? with the
You like
tape?
that, dude?
I think you should leave it, but I think you should put blue tape.
Blue painter's tape?
Yeah, but then I'll need like blue like accents or something. So maybe like I can put blue painter's tape on the trim.
You should do, yeah, blue painter's tape on the bottom, like a Ventador. You know how they have like the Ventador S?
Yeah.
Be sick.
This fucking Tron 3. The spoiler has been sitting for like, I want to say 5 or 6 hours now, and I came out here a couple hours ago and pressed it down again, and all the glue is making contact, so I should be good to go. But now I'm gonna take off all the tape, and it should look really sick.
maybe longer B-roll. It's like all the way to front bumper. They were getting drug tested, like, what is this guy doing? So confused. It looks really weird. Yeah, everyone who walked by today was like, what am I looking at?
There's the last little bit. Bam. Yeah.
Spray it down with some detail spray and it looks sick.
It's crazy that that actually works with a. What? Is it stuck to your hand? It actually really works with a stock car.
It does, but I do have an aero lip in the trunk. I don't know if I've shown it on this video yet.
Are you gonna film that today too?
Yeah, so I'm going to Precision, but that's it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed it. Oh, fuck, we're about to get
Shit, dude.
FedEx. But yeah, I'll be making another video about the charge pipe and then a tile blow-off valve. That's from Redline 360. So stay tuned for that one.
It's just a matter of waiting for more FedEx parts.
Yeah.